Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. Lamborghini has revealed its replacement for the naturally aspirated V10-powered Huracan, with the new Temerario supercar packing a bi-turbo plug-in hybrid V8. It follows Lamborghini's replacement of the V12-powered Aventador with the plug-in hybrid PHEV V12-powered Revuelto. Lamborghini claims the new twin-turbo V8 engine is the first and only production super sports car engine able to reach 10,000 revolutions per minute. It's mated with 3 oil-cooled axial flux electric motors, one integrated in the V8 housing, and another 2 on the front axle. The electric motors produce 110 kilowatts each and weigh 15.5 kilograms, and combined with a 3.8 kWh lithium-ion battery allow the vehicle to be driven purely on electric power. Lamborghini claims a 50% reduction in CO2 emissions compared to the Huracan. Total system output is 677 kilowatts, with a 0 to 100 km/h time of 2.7 seconds. Lamborghini says the electric motors fill in torque gaps and the turbochargers allow high torque at high engine speeds, and claims the powertrain has a linear feel with high revving characteristics like a naturally aspirated engine. The turbochargers sit within the V of the engine and have a maximum boost pressure of 2.5 bars. It's not just about stats on paper, though, with Lamborghini investing significant technical effort to ensure the Temerario's powertrain has an unmistakable audio experience. With the V8 biturbo, the amplitude and frequency of the sound increase as the engine speed rises, and thanks to the flat plane crankshaft, subtle vibrations underline the power of the drive depending on the engine speed, said Chief Technical Officer Reuven Moore. Engineers also designed the engine mounts and body to ensure a flat crankshaft character that can be felt at high speeds or under full load. A sound symposer emits acoustic waves into the interior and the electric drive unit has its own sound. The Temerario sounds different between drive modes, ranging from quiet Sata mode to comfortable and homogeneous Strada to amplified and exhilarating Sport and Casa. There are also new recharge, hybrid, performance and drift modes, the latter with 3 different levels of its own, with Lamborghini claiming 13 unique driving experiences in total. A new 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission (DCT) weighs less than the Huracan's 7-speed DCT and has faster shift times. It's mounted transversely behind the V8. Lamborghini has also given the supercar an electric torque vectoring system to improve cornering agility and high-speed stability, and it intervenes on the brakes only when strictly necessary. The Temerario has a fully aluminum body and sits on a new, more rigid aluminum chassis, with torsional stiffness up by 20%. It has a dry weight of 1,630 kilograms, whereas the Huracan weighed 1,422 kilograms. The 3.8 kWh lithium-ion battery is located within the central tunnel to keep the car's center of gravity low. It can be charged at up to 7 kilowatts using AC power, and is also charged under regenerative braking. The Temerario rides on Bridgestone Potenza Sport tires 255/35 ZR20 up front, 325/30 ZR21 at the rear. Stopping is provided by carbon ceramic brakes with fixed aluminium monoblock calipers, with 10 pistons up front and 4 at the rear. There's a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 8.4-inch central infotainment touchscreen, and a slim 9.1-inch display for the passenger. The infotainment system features wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There's a Lamborghini Vision Unit (LAVU) option which uses 3 cameras, inside and out of the car, and a dedicated control unit so you can record your driving. You can also use the Lamborghini Unica app to monitor the car remotely, as well as view information like its fuel and charge level. Rear downforce is up by 103% compared to the Huracan Evo, increasing to 158% with the Allegrita pack optioned. With the Temerario, Lamborghini now offers an electrified powertrain in all 3 of its vehicle lines. A fully electric model from the brand isn't due until 2028. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.